Good morning, students. So, two concepts were remaining in previous video. So, today I will discuss and after that start exercise. Okay. So, and both concepts only some differences. Okay. So, find integral of type this px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay. And second type px plus q upon under ax square plus bx plus c. So in this, if anywhere given this type of integral, okay, so what we will do? So in that px plus q, we will convert in this form. You see, so px plus q is equal to a differential of this numerator, sorry, denominator, ax square plus bx plus c plus one constant like this. So in questions px plus q, p and q, there some numerical values will be given. Okay, so we will find a and b values. Okay, and in place of px plus q, we will put there a, that value what we will find from here, and differentiation of this plus b value. Okay, so a differentiation of this will be 2ax plus b plus b. So 2a ax plus, so comparing both sides, okay, coefficient of x, so here coefficient of x p and here coefficient of x this. So in place of a what will be p upon 2a, so this we will put, and ab plus b is equal to, that is q constant, and here this and this side q, and a value p upon 2a, b plus b is equal to q, so b is equal to q minus pb upon 2. So after finding this, okay, we will write in place of px plus q, a means p upon 2a, okay, and differentiation of this, so 2ax plus b plus, in place of b, so b is coming this q minus pb upon 2a upon this ax square plus bx plus c dx. So now separately we will divide this by that and this by that. This is constant. So this, by completing perfect square method, you convert this in previous concept I told you that you convert in a square minus b square form this, and here when this you will suppose t, so this will manage in dt. Clear? And same here also. Okay. Here also we will write same, px plus q is equal to a, and differentiation of without root we will write here ax square plus bx plus c up plus c without root, and after finding put there and then integrate separately. Okay. So when I will discuss exercise questions, then if any problem in this, that will be clear. So now we can start exercise. So exercise 7.4. exercise 7.4. In that question number 1, 7.4 question number 1. So first question is 3x square upon x power 6 plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is simple. This question like previous exercise. Okay, like this we can write, and x cube now suppose t, so their differentiation 3x square dx is equal to dt, and 3x square dx given there. So in place of that dt upon t square plus 1, then I apply formula. Which formula? 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon x square plus a square. Okay, so that formula is 1 upon a means 1, here a is 1. Okay, so 1 upon a tan inverse t upon, in place of x t here, t upon a means 1 plus constant, so 1 upon 1 means 1, tan inverse t value put here, so tan inverse x cube plus c. This is our okay. Question number 2, integral 1 upon under root 1 plus 4x square dx. Okay, so 1 plus 4x square dx. So in place of 4x square, that we can convert in this form. Okay, so 2x suppose t, so 2 dx is equal to dt, so dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, so that you put there. So dx dt upon 2 under root 1 plus t square. Okay, so 1 upon 2, that is constant, so that will be out. Then apply formula. Which formula? 1 upon under root t square x square plus a square. This also we can write x square plus a square. So formula half log mod x means t plus under root t square plus 1. Okay, and plus constant, then putting t value, so 1 by 2 log t means 2x plus here 4x square plus 1 plus constant. That will be answer. Question number 3 also like that. Okay, in third question number 3, suppose let 2 minus x is equal to t, so minus dx is equal to dt, so dx is equal to minus dt, and after that putting and then applying formula. So same formula. Okay, then question number 4 also like that. 1 upon 9 minus 25x square dx. Okay, so here 9 minus 25x square. Okay, so this you can write in this form. 9 you can write 3 square minus 25 is x square is 5x whole square. Then suppose 5x is equal to t. Okay, so 5 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt upon 5. Put there. So dt upon 5 under root 3 square minus t t square. Then apply formula. Which formula? dt upon under root a square minus t square. Okay, that is sine inverse t upon a. Put there and putting t value. So this will be 1 by 5, that will be out. So sine inverse t upon a means 3 plus constant. Then putting t value. So 1 by 5 sine inverse 5x upon 3 plus constant. That will be answer. Okay. Question number 5. 3x upon 1 plus 2x power 4 dx. So 3x upon 1 plus under root 2x square whole square dx. So under root 2x is equal to t. So under root 2 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt upon under root 2. Put here and then apply formula. 1 minute. Sorry, 2x power 4. Okay. So under root 2x square is equal to t. Okay. So x square there 2x means 2 under root 2x. So x dx 2 upon dt upon 2 under root 2. Then 3 dt upon 2 under root 2 and in bracket 1 plus t square. Then apply 3 upon 2 under root 2 constant will be out. Then apply formula. Question number 6 also like this. X square dx upon 1 minus x power 6. Okay. So x power 6 also you can write like this. Okay. So x cube suppose t. So 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Put here. So dt by 3 and in bracket 1 minus t square. Then apply formula. After that putting t value. Okay. Then question number 6. This was 6. Okay. Question number 7. X minus 1 upon under root x square minus 1 dx. Okay. So this you can do by 2 ways. Okay. So their first way, divide separately. Okay. Means x upon under root x square minus 1 dx minus 1 upon under root this. So this is formula and second one. And here first one, x square x square minus 1. Suppose t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to dt by 2. Put here. So dt by 2 and this t. So t power 1 by 2. And this formula direct 1 upon under root x square minus a square. Clear? So apply. Question number 8. This 1 upon 2 will be out and t power minus 1 by 2 formula x power n. Question number 8. X square dx upon x power 6 plus a power 6. Okay. So this square dx upon under root this we can write x cube whole square plus a cube whole square. So x cube suppose t. Okay. So their differentiation 3x square dx is equal to dt. Okay. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Put here. So this dt by 3 under root this t square plus this means 1 upon under t square plus this suppose capital A. So t square plus a square apply formula. Question number 9. Sec square x upon under root tan square x plus 4 dx. So tan x suppose t. So tan x their differentiation sec square x dx equal to dt. So sec square x dx dt upon under root t square plus 2 square. Okay. Then apply formula 1 upon under root t square plus a square. Question number 10. Okay. And question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Means 10 to 15. Their process same. Okay. So 10 to 15 I will tell 2 questions. Okay. So one question number 10 you see. Okay. 1 upon under root x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. So completing perfect square method. So a square plus 2a into b. So their square you add and subtract and then plus 2. Okay. So dx upon under root in place of this we can write x plus 1 whole square. Okay. And here minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 1. So plus 1 square. Then suppose x plus 1 is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt. So this will be dt upon under root t square plus 1 square. Apply formula. Okay. And then putting t value, that will be answer. So similarly 10 to 15 you can try from yourself. Okay. So one more I will tell from 10 to 15. Okay. That also I will tell but in next video. Okay. Thank you.